If you've been wanting to give your WordPress site a more professional touch by updating that tiny but mighty icon in the top of your browser tab, the Favicon, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to change your WordPress favicon, also known as the site icon, using both the modern full site editing method and the traditional way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make your site instantly recognizable and more polished every time someone visits. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need the perfect image for your favicon. This small icon represents your brand everywhere: browser tabs, bookmarks, even home screen shortcuts on mobile devices, so it's important to get it right. Make sure your image is a true square, ideally at least 512 by 512 pixels. The reason for this size is that it ensures your icon won't look blurry or stretched on high-resolution screens. I recommend using the PNG format because it supports transparency and keeps your icon crisp, but if you already have an ICO file, that'll work too. If you're not used to resizing images, programs like Canva, Photoshop, or even basic online tools can do this for you in a snap. Just remember, your favicon should be simple and clear since it'll show up tiny. Think of it like a digital signature. Once your image is ready, switch over to your WordPress dashboard. From here, go ahead and click Settings and then select General. This is where the basic info for your site lives. Scroll down a little and you'll see a section called Site Icon. If you've had a favicon before, you'll see it displayed here. Otherwise, this is where you'll add your new one. Now, click on the Choose Site Icon button. This opens up your media library, where you can either pick an image you've uploaded in the past or upload your new favicon directly from your computer. If you're uploading a new file, just drag and drop it in or click Upload Files and select your image. Once you see your image in the media library, click on it and then hit the Select button in the corner. This tells WordPress, yep, this is the one I want. If your image isn't a perfect square, WordPress will help you out here. You'll be prompted to crop the image so it fits the favicon shape nicely. You can drag the selection box to adjust what shows up and make sure the most important part of your image is centered. Don't stress if you have to crop a bit. WordPress makes this pretty straightforward. If your image is already a square, you'll skip this cropping step and move right on. Once that's done, don't forget to scroll down and click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. It's always a little too easy to miss this, but this step actually makes your changes go live, so double check that you saved before moving on. To be sure your new favicon is working, open your site in an incognito or private browser window. This helps you see your site as a new visitor would without any cached images in the way. Do a hard refresh by hitting Ctrl plus F5 on Windows or Command Shift R on a Mac. You should now see your brand new favicon shining in the browser tab. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a few moments for the change to appear everywhere. And there you go, your WordPress site now stands out that little bit more, showcasing your own unique brand from the very first glance. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want tips for making your favicon look even better. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.